and welcome back to my channel. Now I know in my previous video, which is like about a week ago, I said I had Christmas content coming, and it is coming, but not today. I'm sorry for that. I have my Christmas tree all done up, my little pink tree. It is ready for its Christmas content, but I'm still working on it. So today, I feel like I've done a lot of these recently, but I have another haul. This time it's from Japan. Yay! I am so excited to show you guys what I got. I have been waiting since September for this, and everyone else has it, and I think it's just because of the people I used to ship it over here, plus Canada Post was on strike, so it took like an extra little bit to get here, but I am so freaking excited. So I'm not even gonna, we're just gonna get right into this because I have been waiting for so long. I'm so excited. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Can we just, oh my gosh. Okay, I got 4 things. I originally got 5, but one was out of stock, so I was like, whatever, it's fine. But I did get 4 things. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. Just gonna put everything to the side for now. Oh my gosh. And that is just paper. Awesome. So if you have been on Instagram, if you have been on the internet, you would have seen these pastel dream rainbow cardigans and sweaters. Gonna pull everything out of the plastic actually first, because that's probably really irritating as I'm talking. Okay, I have everything unbagged. So, as I was saying, if you've been on the internet, you would have seen these beautiful pastel rainbow dream knit sweaters and cardigans. I couldn't decide if I wanted the cardigan or the sweater, so I got both, because why not? My mom was like, why? Just get one. And I'm like, no. But sometimes you want a cardigan to wear over top of something you're already wearing, and sometimes you actually just want the sweater. These are all from the brand WC. WC? W. Well, that letter and then heart C. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. On the website, I'm pretty sure it said one size fits all. This is gonna be mucho big on me, but I don't even care because look at how cute it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Oh my goodness. And then of course the cardigan is the exact same, but it's a cardigan, so you can unbutton it. Oh my god, I am so excited. They're so soft. Oh my god. I'm so excited. And they need to be washed. They smell kind of like they've been sitting in a box for over 3 months. The next one I've got, all from WC still, is the lavender dinosaur sweater, because they did a dinosaur thing. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Again, super soft, mucho big, does not care, size F. That probably means big, but I can't tell sizes, so whatever, it's fine. I love it. Oh my god. Actually, my mom could probably fit this. Oh my god, we could be twinning. Yay. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. And the last sweater I got from WC. Ooh, extra paper. Is also from their dinosaur collab. And it's just got the 4 little dinos right there. It's more of a t-shirt material, like a t-shirt sweater, so it's not gonna be as warm as the rest of them, but it is still super adorable. And then I was at work, Claire's, the other day, and they have dinosaur earrings, so of course I had to snatch up all of those to go with my dinosaur things. So I'm gonna have a whole hashtag Luke. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna try them on, so here we go. Oh my gosh, okay. This is the first sweater I have. The sleeves are a good length. My hands only go down a little bit. I am so excited about this sweater. It is like a dress on me if I stand up. Sorry, I'm still in my pajamas, but it is kind of dress length a bit, but it is so cute, so comfy. Oh my gosh, I am living my pastel rainbow dreams in this sweater. It is so comfy, it is so soft. I am so excited. I've been waiting so long for these to come in. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, and can you imagine some cute pictures of this sweater with these shoes? Yes, we can! I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, okay. And then the pastel cardigan sweater looks like this. I love this sweater. Oh my gosh, it is mucho low for my preferences, which is why I would wear a shirt underneath it. But the sleeves, again, you can see my hands just sticking out. But see, this is the reason why I couldn't decide whether I wanted to get the sweater or the cardigan. Like, I need both, okay? Don't judge me. Like, I bet all of you have had this situation too, where you can't decide so you get both. Or like, have any of you ever gotten the same item multiple times, like the exact same item, but in different colors? Because I know I definitely have. It's not weird, it's just you like it so much that you want it in all the colors. But it is super cute. It is also a little long when I stand up, but not as long as the sweater. I don't even care though. I love baggy sweaters any time of year, especially when it's cold. So this is gonna be lived in all the time. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Oh my god. I am so excited for these. I have been wanting these forever. I've seen them on everyone's Instagrams and everyone's like Snapchats and just everywhere. I am so excited to finally have mine here. Yay! So this one is really cute, really comfy. It is very soft on the inside, which I love. The sleeves are a little long, but I ain't even mad. It goes down about there, and then the sleeves are, you can just barely see my little fingers peeping out, but it is super cute and super comfy. I don't even mind it's wintertime, so I like to go like that anyways to keep my hands warm. But oh my gosh, and it looks like you can just roll up the sleeves like that, and it's super cute. I am living for this. The little dinosaurs are so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one's so cute. Alright, so this is the last sweater I have to show you guys. It is super comfy. Oh my gosh. The sleeves aren't as long as the other dinosaur sweater, but they are still a little long. The actual sweater itself is super long. Like if I stand up, it comes down like to where a dress would come down to me. Like I could wear this as a dress. I'm definitely not going to, because it's one, the winter, and two, not meant to be a dress. It's meant to be a sweater. It is so cute though. It is absolutely so soft. It is so nicely lined. I absolutely love the dinosaur print on it. Look at them cute dinos. Look at my little steggy boy. So freaking cute. I love all these sweaters so much. Oh my gosh. They're just so amazing. Alright guys, that is all I have for this video. There will be Christmas content next time. I promise. That is definitely coming. But if you liked this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And for Outside Cheeky Sparkles content, which I'm trying to post more on my Instagram, head over to my Instagram and my Twitter, and I'll see you next time. Bye!